What is good, people? Welcome back to another video. So in this video we are down at Tom's farm again and we're going to be riding the bikes and going for a gym session. Today I'm on the Sony RX100. It's not mine, it's just a camera I'm testing out and then passing on. But we got Jesse here. We've just been on our first ride and Jesse has also fitted a new sprocket onto his Suron.
Yeah, I got a new sprocket, made it bigger. I mean, it is a bigger sprocket, which makes it have more torque, so I'm going to be able to pop wheelies easier, hopefully.
And I'm going to be on the Postie bike once again, just getting around on it.
Getting around on the Postie.
Getting around on it, mate, and there's a lot of people here this time, so it's going to be mint.
Yeah.
We got our car bogged.
If your foot goes under the wheel, you'll break your leg. Oh, Wayne's here.
It's fine then.
Ready when you are. Fun. Right, you gotta start it up, aren't you? Oh, drive, man.
He's a lot. Oh wait, do I move with the car? Wait. Oh, that was the tracks. Oh, that was easy. Oh, wait. Do I move? Oh.
About to go for the first ride. I'm very, very, very disappointed. My GoPro Hero 10 just... don't know what's happening. What is happening, Jesse? It's not turning on.
It's had the red ring of death.
It did this in the last video where the screen goes dim and then it doesn't want to turn on properly, but then Tom held it when we were filming the last Seacliff video, Seacliff overnight video, and it turned on, but now it's not. I'm so annoyed, but luckily Jesse's coming clutch. We got the Insta360. I've had so many GoPros fail on me. My Hero 6, it leaked. Then I contacted GoPro services, showed them so much proof. All they did was give me a 40% discount off their newest one. I had that Hero 7, dropped it, and lost it, sank to the bottom, and now my Hero 10s gave up on me. I do not want to buy another GoPro. So any suggestions? Get them in the comments, because I don't want to do a GoPro again. They're just not meant for me. Anyway, let's get on the ride. I've been politely given this WR250 to ride today, which is absolutely beautiful. Using the Insta360 for the first time, and yeah, I've rode this bike a little bit so far. It's super nice and smooth. Let's go. Give us some of that buzz.
Look at that.
Oh. Alright, we're going on the Postie bike. Yeah, baby.
get down to first gear. Got stuck.
Ready? We'll push it up.
That was fucking sexy.
That was awesome.
What did it look like from the back? It didn't make it far, did it?
Nah.
Didn't make it far.
Extra for this?
Huh?
Are they paying you extra for this?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, that'll be.
It's a hard one.
Yeah, what
It's a far delivery.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Bro, are they paying you extra for this?
Huh?
Are they paying you extra for this? Yeah.
Bro.
Okay, it better be. Yeah. Oh, she's smoking. Uh-oh. Yeah.
I think it's just like the engine is hot.
Yeah. Is that the house you're delivering to?
Huh?
Is that your delivery?
I've been to that a few times, but not today.
Oh, we've got to go further.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. For it. Oh, flat landing. Yeah, perfect. Oh! 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 Oh my god! That was a good save.
Did you get that? Oh, yeah!
Is it going?
Yeah. Recording.
That was crazy.
That was amazing. Oh my god. That was awesome.
Yeah, I thought he was coming up for sure.
Keep coming.
One thing about this little side of his work. Yeah. Massive.
It's Jesse's son. Morning now. We're out of the block. We've left the block and we're going for a leg session. We've got all hooked up and then we're heading home after this. pre-workout meals. Tom?
Post-workout.
Post-workout, sorry mate, thanks for that. Jesse, oh he's a good boy, isn't he? He's such a good boy. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoy this kind of video, and I'll see you in the next one. It's fucking the battery. What's going on, Jesse?
Just having bread, so made it a little bit fun. I just ate all the crust off. I'm gonna make a shake with it. What should I make?
That is so cool, man.
What should I make?
I don't know.